Our history began more than 80 years ago when two businesses, Farnell in Europe and Newark in North America, began with a simple mission of delivering customers the products they needed when they needed them. From their humble beginnings in the 1930s, these two local businesses selling radio parts transformed into a global distributor of products and technology for electronic and industrial system design, maintenance, and repair. We operate as Farnell in Europe, Middle East and Africa, Newark in the Americas, and Element 14 in Asia Pacific. In 2016, we joined forces with the Avnet Group. This partnership unites Farnell Global's strengths in proof of concept and design with Avnet's extensive expertise in large volume broadline distribution. Together, we expedite our customers' time to market and provide support at every stage of the product lifecycle, from the prototype phase to full-scale production. Today, with 19 main offices, over 3,300 employees, 48 localized transactional websites, and global warehousing and distribution capabilities, we provide customers 24/7 access to the products they need, fast and reliable delivery, and a broad selection of services across Europe, the Middle East and Africa, Asia Pacific, and America. With a comprehensive inventory of over 1 million products in stock and 10 million more available on demand, our catalog includes a wide range of products, from cutting-edge single-board computers and semiconductors through passives, electromechanical components, and interconnect to test and tools. Our exclusive distributorship of Raspberry Pi and Multicomp Pro is a testament of Farnell Global's strength in offering the best products and value to customers. With 5,000 new products added monthly, we offer customers the latest products and technology from over 2,000 leading suppliers, enabling innovation and powering customers' success. At Farnell Global, we understand the dynamic nature of the technology environment, and we recognize the importance of delivering products as soon as you need them. That's why we are committed to providing fast and reliable service. We now provide date and lot codes on over 875,000 best-selling board-level components across leading brands. Our procurement solutions are designed to optimize purchasing process, drive down costs, and maximize speed and efficiency. We offer a wide range of services and tools to support customers all the way from design to production, purchasing and procurement with web-based e-commerce tools, stock management with packaging solutions and cable cutting, design with technical support and dedicated technology solutions sites, and education with the Element 14 Learning Center. Our flexible packaging is designed to meet your needs. Whether you require full reels, continuous strips, or tubes, we have you covered. In addition, our re-reeling service can help you drive production efficiency. Our people are the foundation of our company. A dedicated team of experts is ready to provide comprehensive technical assistance via online technical chat. Our friendly customer service team is available 24/5 to address any service-related matter, ensuring a seamless customer experience. Whether via chat, over the phone, or email, in English or in the local language, we strive to exceed your expectations every day. With over 880,000 members, Farnell Global's Element 14 community is one of the biggest online engineering communities for electronic enthusiasts from all over the world to connect with each other and discover new technology insights. As a company with global reach and local presence, we are committed to supporting international charitable organizations and initiatives, as well as those that support local communities. Our Save the Bees program is dedicated to the preservation of these crucial pollinators, and we have joined forces with various organizations to safeguard the world's most vital contributors to the ecosystem. Our mission involves the worldwide adoption of beehives, support for local communities, and the promotion of STEM programs to educate young people about the significance of pollinators in our ecosystem. As we continue our journey, we stay committed to our vision and values. Access, assemble, aspire. The right components for tomorrow's success.